few years ago, my entire left corner of my pole barn started collapsing. There was a humongous sinkhole. My pole barn runs 48 feet, and that was the length of the sinkhole. I had a contractor come out. He was just like amazed that it hadn't cracked the concrete and the whole slab didn't fall into the earth. He didn't want to touch it, and that was scary. I started searching. I found a couple of places. Ayers was the first to respond. I was pleased when they called me back so quickly because I was in a situation that I'm basically freaking out, not knowing what to do. The young man came out. He explained thoroughly to me everything that needed to be done, and I had many questions. He could answer every question that I posed him, and I went with the project. I was praying for a certain amount, and I was so happy that it was about $2,000 less than what I was hoping it would turn out to be. So I was thrilled with that. Two young men came out again, and they explained everything to me thoroughly. I was impressed with both of the young guys. I didn't have any issues. They swept it up, they cleaned everything up, and they did a wonderful job.